In this video I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper in iOS 17. So basically what you want to do is open up settings. From there you want to scroll until you see wallpaper, scroll all the way to the right and then click on this plus. And as with iOS 16, here you can choose featured, suggest photos, photo shuffle, weather astronomy, unity, pride emojis, collections and color. So there are a lot of different things you can choose from, or you can create your own with photos, people, shuffle and etc. And once you have created it, click on that, click on add, then you can set wallpaper pair or custom home screen, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.